Hello and welcome to the ChatGPT Bootcamp. My name is Abbas Khan and I will be your instructor for this course. In this course, you will learn how to master the powerful language processing capabilities of ChatGPT and build intelligent prompt so that ChatGPT can understand and respond to the natural language. You will start by learning the basics of ChatGPT, including how it works, its key features, and how to use it to generate human-like text. From there, we will dive into hands-on training and we will try to provide different prompts to ChatGPT and learn how to solve real-world problems using ChatGPT. Throughout the course, you will gain practical experience with real-world examples and case studies, so you can apply what you're learning in real time with ChatGPT. Additionally, you will learn how to do prompt engineering with ChatGPT and provide an intelligent prompt so that you can get your desired result. This course is designed for both beginners with no prior experience and developers looking to expand their skills, or anyone who is interested in learning about ChatGPT and using it in their day-to-day life as an assistant. So if you're ready to master the intelligent technology of ChatGPT and its practical application, then what are you waiting for? Click on that enroll button and get started now. I'm waiting for you inside the course.